tired of being crammed in your current apartment? You want a spacious home with that extra room? You want open views and brilliant light? How about a balcony and high ceilings? And you want all that in a condo-like building at co-op prices? Well then, welcome to Penthouse D at 50 Lexington Avenue. As you enter this 3-bed, 2-bath home, you're greeted by a wall of windows and 9-foot ceilings. Did you know that this is the only floor in the building with this kind of ceiling height? Well, now you do. Your spacious living dining combo provides access to your balcony. It's the perfect place to relax in the evening or with a cup of joe in the morning. The primary bedroom is simply massive and features an ensuite bath and a giant walk-in closet. Second and third bedrooms are also generously proportioned. The third one here can be opened up and incorporated into the main living space, or you can leave it as is and use it as you see fit, whether as an office, nursery, or a guest room. The kitchen is right off the living room, so you're never far from the action even if you're cooking away. 50 Lex is a flexible co-op operating similar to a condo and offers 24-hour doorman, live-in super, indoor swimming pool, gym, sauna, laundry room, and a huge furnished roof deck with stunning views of many New York City landmark buildings. Superbly located at the crossroads of Gramercy and Flatiron, you're right near Gramercy, Madison Square and Union Square parks, some of the city's top restaurants, and great shopping. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. My name is jbrigham and I'd love to show you this wonderful home. Please contact me so we can make it happen.